Hi, my beauties. This is Jan, natural cosmetic formulator and founder of the Aroma Shop, where we supply natural and pure ingredients and tools to create your own natural cosmetics. From soothing hydrosols and botanical oils to vibrant pigments, every ingredient is carefully selected to help you craft skincare and makeup that's both beautiful and pure. Whether you're blending your own lipsticks or filling your first jars of balm, our molds and empty cases are here to bring your formulations to life with ease and elegance. And for those who wish to deepen their knowledge, my books offer tried and true recipes and wisdom from years of experience in natural beauty and cosmetic crafting. At the Aroma Shop, we honor tradition while giving you the tools to create your own. This is where the art of natural cosmetic making begins. The Aroma Shop for those who craft beauty with their own hands.